Hi, today I want to share my honest review with you on this Nacetin fan that I was just gifted from Amazon. This is a beautiful flower fan that honestly fits perfectly in my daughter's room. As you can see, it's kind of flower and butterfly themed, so I love the design of this fan. Some things that are really awesome is that it comes with a remote, as you can see here, which is perfect for us because we live in an older house, and so sometimes wiring fans and wiring lights and things like that are not that easy. So the fact that this is actually controlled with a remote and we don't have to control it with a switch is perfect. So the remote pairs, I can go ahead and just turn it on like this. As you can see, the lighting is so beautiful. You can switch through different colors, more of like a yellow, bluish light, whatever your preference is. Then you can change the brightness by using the remote. It also comes with a fan, so if I want to turn it on, I can just select the level, and it is a really nice fan. Now this light is a smaller light, but this fan is very powerful. So I know you can't tell from the video, but I'm standing under the fan. It is only at a level 2 and it is working so well. So this is what the fan looks like. Again, so cute. I love that you can separate between using the fan or just using the light, whatever you need. And then to turn it off, it's very simple, just all off, and there we go, all off, and everything will go off, and the fan turns off and slows down really nicely. It's also a really quiet fan as well, which I think is really great, especially in a child's room. So again, if you are in the market for a very cute fan like this, they do have other designs to choose from with lights, I would absolutely recommend checking out this brand, Nacetin, right here.